Late night city lights, just us.
Let's talk love.
Let's talk love. Met you in the crowd with the music hit deep. Eyes locked once, couldn't even speak. You smile, boom, world frozen time. Now my heart writes hooks in every rhyme. Late DMs turn to 4 a.m. calls. Yeah. We fall harder with no walls. You said I've been hurt, but I wanna believe. I said, baby, love's the verse we weave.
No fear, just a rhythm and trust. In a world so loud, it's only us. Late night glow, we're shining slow. New lovers on a wave, let the feelings flow. Heart to heart where the stars don't show. With a vibe that the world wanna know. Late night glow, from the highs to the lows. Every beat in my chest says don't let go.
Every text a poem, every laugh a beat. Look, she my calm and chaos, my heat in the street. Studio night, she hums a line. Love so real, it redefines. We ain't rushing, we ain't fake. Every flow we got, that's what we make. From couch dreams to the jet streams glow. She my muse and the charge gon' know.
New love in the spotlight's flame, but behind the fame is the same old name. She the piece